Hello, kids. How are you today? I hope you all are doing good at your homes. So, myself Sadhna Mishra and welcoming you in our English class. I'm here with a story today, which is in our chapter 2. So, get ready for the reading of the story. Now, our chapter number 2. The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoe. Now listen and enjoy this story. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. One day they went into the forest. Children, so the story is about three friends, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. One day they were passing through the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. They came near to the river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, "Bubble, let us float on you." "No, Shoe, let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other. Then we can cross the river." So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Finally, they decided to cross the river with the help of straw. So straw stretched itself from one bank to another. Shoe tried to cross the river first. The shoe landed on the straw and broke it. Bubble shook with laughter and burst with a blast. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Now let's proceed to our notebook work. Before start our notebook work, let us fill index first. So, this is your index. So, as this is your English literature notebook, so I have written here English literature. Then, name is to be filled here, your class, your section. And you have to leave the blank of roll number, as it will give you when you come to school. Then, we will write the serial number, then date, then the title. In the title, we will write the work which we have done on this date. So on 12th May 2020 we have done difficult words and word meaning of chapter 1. We have to continue this process. Today we are going to do difficult words and word meaning of chapter 2. So I have written here serial number 4. Then the date 9th June 2020. Then chapter 2 and difficult words and word meaning. For word meaning, I have written here W/M. So let's start writing our difficult word and we will learn them also, right? So let's proceed to the difficult words. First we are going to write today's date. It's 9th June 2020. Then for very first line we will write our chapter number, chapter 2. Then the chapter name, The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoe. Now our first exercise is difficult words. So our first word is bubble. We spell it as BUBBLE, bubble. Second, float. We spell it as FLOAT, float. Third one, stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. Fourth one, splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. Now the fifth one, laughter. We spell it as L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Next one, burst, B-U-R-S-T, burst. Then cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross. So children, you have to write them twice in your notebook as it is your homework for today. Now let's proceed to the word meanings. In exercise, word meaning. Now, number 1, float. Spelling is F-L-O-A-T, float. The meaning of the float is to stay on a surface of a liquid. Our second word is stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. The meaning is extend, E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. Third one, splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. The meaning is to spread water. Spelling of spread is S-P-R-E-A-D and water, W-A-T-E-R. So children, today we have done our reading of the chapter. So you have to read the chapter carefully with the help of the given PDF, and you have to note down this work in your notebook. Now riddle time. So I have previously asked the riddle, you cannot come in or go out without me. What am I? The answer is a door. So today's riddle is, what's green but not a leaf, copies other but is not a monkey? Here's a hint for you. It's a bird. Think, which bird can copies other? So, in the next video we will do question answers and make sentences in our notebook of chapter 2. Till then, bye bye.